What's up, peak timers? Welcome to another peg hunting video, and I am just walking towards Target. We're stopping at Target today, and we're gonna hopefully see if they have a lot of cool cars. Before we start peg hunting in Target, let me show you what I just picked up at my P.O. box. I did just stop at the post office at my mailbox where I picked up a bunch of stuff that I got on eBay. So let's just show you what I got at eBay. First thing that I got was this Super Speeders Kroger exclusive Lamborghini Aventador in the yellow color. So check that out in this beautiful yellow color. I'm excited to add this to my Lamborghini Aventador collection. This was one of the ones that I was missing. I'm also waiting for the Super Treasure Hunt Aventador Mira Homage Edition, which should be arriving at my mailbox very soon. And then I've got all of them, and I'll do a big video which will show all of them. Even got this cool sticker included in this. Pretty cool. So this is a little bit of an older one, but had to add it to the collection. And actually, speaking of older cars that I picked up this Rolls Royce. Check it out. This is a red line Rolls Royce, and this car is near mint condition. I only got it, I think it was like 23 bucks, but there's one selling for like $50 in worse condition than this. So somebody just missed the boat on this, and I was lucky enough to pick it up. It's even got the opening up hood and all that, but look at it. It's like near mint condition. So definitely a cool one I'm gonna add to my collection. So I'll throw that back into the little bag right here. And then I got a couple of Zamac cars, and let's go ahead and I'll show you. The first one that I got was the Zamac Porsche 934.5, and this one was one of my favorite castings, like the one that's in blue with the white wheels. It's literally one of my favorite castings in the last couple of years. But I got the Zamac edition one of it, so there's I think 4 different colors of this car now. And then I got another Zamac Porsche. This one is a Zamac Porsche 911 GT3 RS. And this one also comes in several different colors, but I really like the Zamac edition one. So those are the cars that I got. All right, guys, we are in Target now, and I just walk right up to the aisle of Hot Wheels, and it looks not too bad. We got quite a few things. There's a couple of little different sets and stuff that they have. I like the classic look of the Hot Wheels sets on some of them that Target usually carries. A couple different things. Check out these 20 packs. These ones look fairly new. Let's see if we can find one with any nice cars. The M2 in there, a couple of newer castings. Doesn't look like there's anything too out of the ordinary that I don't have already. Look at this one with a missing car. Somebody's stealing cars from it. I don't know why people do that. That's crazy. And we got an Nsx Corvette. Nothing too special inside of these, I don't think. There's a Ford GT, the new color Ford GT in there. Haven't seen a Ford GT in it. Let's see what we have up here. We got a Corvette. We got some fantasy castings. Looks like they need to restock the shelves of all these single cars, so it doesn't look like we'll find too much in here. It's been picked through pretty nicely, but let's see, fantasy cars. And let's check out these 9 packs. And these 9 packs, ooh, these ones are really new. Check out these Ford GT here, the number 1 on it. I haven't seen this Ford GT. This must be a 9-pack exclusive. That one's pretty cool. I don't know if it's worth getting just for that Ford GT. We'll see. We'll put that down for a second here. We'll see what else we got. And this one looks pretty new. It's got that new Civic that I got at Fred Meyer already. And there's that new Tesla as well that I got at Fred Meyer. And check out the Mazda Fury as well. That's a new color. And let's see if there's anything else in here. We got a 50th anniversary Corvette Stingray in this one. That's a pretty cool car. I don't have that one yet, but I'm going to be getting that in a single pack fairly soon, so we'll leave that for now. It's another one with that 50th anniversary Corvette. I'm sure a lot of people will pick these up. I haven't seen the new Tesla in a pack with the 50th anniversary car, so there's the Porsche 918 Spider, the new one in there as well. And let's put those ones back and see what else do we have here. Anything in here? Lots of fantasy cars. In this one, we got the Nissan 180SX Corvette in there. This one's got the custom Maverick. There's the Ford GT in this one as well. And then we got the Nissan Skyline there. We got a Porsche in here. And that exclusive Corvette. And we'll throw those ones back. Doesn't look like we're going to find anything too special in there. Let's see what else we got. We got some 5 packs. Lots of different 5 packs. And it looks like these are some fairly new 5 packs. So let's see if we can get any cool ones in here. Let's see, the track builder. The X-ray one, let's see, what is this? Oh, there's the drag strip one. Let's see, anything in here? Oh, this one's pretty cool. I like that truck right there. The Hot Wheels Metro truck. That one's a really neat truck. Might have to pick that one up. We'll see. We'll put that aside for a second. Night Burners, we've already got that one before. Let's see what else we have here. The Surf's Up. We've got the fan stands. We've got, no, nothing too great. And we'll maybe pick this one up right now, or we'll put it aside for a second. I'll decide in a bit if we're going to get that one or not. And let's see what else they have over here. Looks like we've got the Forza set from last year. This is the premium Forza set. A couple of good cars. We got the Ford GT Race from it. This is it's a really nice one. I really like this one, but I've already got 2 of them, so I think I'll leave that one there. But good pickups for someone else. We got some of the Batman cars. We got this big Smash Up Stadium 5-pack for a Monster Jam 5-pack. I haven't seen anything like this. Kind of interesting, but I usually like to collect like singles of the monster trucks. I'm not a big fan of collecting these big packs or anything. I just pick up the ones I want. Medallion for the bigger scale monster truck. Let's see if we can get any good singles in here. Looks like some normal ones. What else do we have in here? Nothing that I haven't seen before. This one's pretty cool. This Superwoman one. Let's see what else is there. Nothing that I would really pick up. Let's see what else we have down here. We got a bunch of these, like, what are these, construction cars or something? I'm not too sure what these are. Tonka cars, maybe. I don't really collect those. Oh, check out this Ford GT. This is really cool. It looks like a 1 in 36 scale Ford GT. This is one of those, like, they're pretty detailed cars, and we do see them often at Fred Meyer and Target and all that, and even Walmart. They have the opening doors, but they're not like super detailed, but they do look really cool. They're pretty cool, like maybe play toys if you're into stuff like that. Let's see, what else do we have on this side? Nothing car-like here. Let's see, what are these big sets that we have right here? And we got Matchbox sets. These are, I guess, 9-pack of Matchbox cars. They're all the same, so nothing too special. I like to look for the Mercedes G63 Matchbox cars. Those are kind of the ones that I want to collect more of. We got these color changers. We got, let's see, 5-packs. Let's see if we can find anything different. Police 5-pack. Those are kind of cool. Let's see if we have anything else in here. Some construction cars. These are more for playing, I think. I think you can create like a little cool play scene with the Matchbox cars, all those construction vehicles. We got Cars 3 stuff here. Lots of different sets from Cars 3. Let's see if there's anything interesting in here. Let's see. We got these like pullback rev action cars. What do these things do? I guess you just push them down and they rev up. Huh, that's kind of cool. Kind of fun to play with. Try me, it says. And we got this big pack, $44.99 for this big Cars 3 pack. Desert Race 11 pack. Pretty cool, but $44.99. Fireball Beach Race 4 pack. This one looks pretty cool too. I'm not big into collecting the Cars 3 stuff. I do have a few of them. Splash Racers, I guess they got color changer stuff as well. Let's see what else here. Lightning McQueen. Collect them all. I guess you put them into the water and you can, maybe they're just like bathtub play toys or something. And what are these small things that we have here? Mini metallic racers. Haven't seen these before. I guess these are little play toys as well. All right, guys, let's head back to the car and I'll show you guys what I bought. All right, guys, just back inside the car from Target, and not a lot of stuff there, unfortunately. Sometimes Target, it's like hit or miss. Like sometimes they're fully stocked and they got a lot of cool new cars, and then there's times like today where it's just not a lot. A good variety, but just not as many of the newer stuff that I would like to get. I did pick up one thing though. I did pick up the Hot Wheels Metro 5-pack. So there it is. I thought that middle like truck was kind of cool. But for the most part, I think they're all fantasy cars, maybe with the exception of this one, though the second one down, I don't know exactly what that is. But we'll open this one up on the channel. But this one only came to 542, but I am in the United States, so 542 works out to like, I don't know, maybe like 750 Canadian. I always have to convert it into Canadian because I'm from Canada, but when I come down to the States, I mean, obviously they are not too bad. I mean, these ones in Canada, I'd probably pay about $10 for this pack. 750-ish or so is not too bad. Thanks a lot, Peak Timers, for watching today's peg hunting video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Thanks, Peak Timers, for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.